Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 10 Measurement. Let's continue exercise 10B, question number 6. We had done 5 in the before part. A box of chocolates weighs 343 grams. Find the weight of half a dozen such boxes in kg. So now one box is weighing 343 grams. We have to find half a dozen. Everybody knows how much is a dozen? 12. Okay, half a dozen will be 6. So let's find the weight first in grams and then we will convert it into kg. So one box weighs 343 grams. 1 dozen equals to 12. Half a dozen will be 12 divided by 2, that is 6. This is just for your explanation. So weight of half a dozen boxes will be 343 multiplied by 6. Let's multiply it together here only. 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 6 4s are 24, plus 1, 25, 6 3s are 18, plus 2, 20, 2058 grams. Now we have to find the weight in kg. Now we are going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So we will divide. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 2058 grams will be 2058 upon 1000. That means I have to put a decimal point after 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2.058 kg. Okay, so now we write the answer. Half a dozen such boxes weigh 2.058 kg. We go on to the seventh one. 74, subtract 74.923 kg from 92.101 kg. Now the units are same, so I can do direct subtraction. From comes, that means this number will be on the top. That will be your minuend. Kg minus 74.923 will be your subtrahend, and I will subtract. Okay, so I have to borrow. I cannot borrow. So this becomes 9 and 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now this is 0. So again I borrow. 10 minus 9 is 1. I put my decimal point and again borrow. 11 minus 4, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So my answer is 17.178 kg. A very easy sum. Now question number 8. Divide 63.924 grams by 20. So this will be a normal decimal division. So let's continue. 20 divided by 63.924. We don't have to convert anything, so we can do it directly. 23s are 60. Table of 20 is very easy, so I don't need to do a rough work. Now when I got 3 and there is a decimal point, I have to put my decimal point on top and bring the 9 down. 22s are 40, so I will take 21s are 20. 9, bring the 1 down. Now I bring the 2 down. 20, 2 words are something here 18. 2, 9s are 18, so I add a 0. Now 2, 9 minus 8, 1. I bring the 4 down. 2 words are 12, 2 6 are 12, so 120. 26 are 120. I bring the 4 down. Now when I have a decimal point, I can continue by adding one more 0. So I get a round figure. 20 2s are 40. So I got a remainder 0. So my answer is, yes, my answer is 3.1962, and it is compulsory to write the unit, that is grams. So now question number 9. Convert to grams and add 6.041 kg, 41.100 kg and 33.005 kg. I have to convert all of them to grams first, and then we have to add. Now kilogram to gram, you know, we have to multiply by 100. So let's convert. Everybody knows 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So we will multiply each number by 1000. So 6.041 kg will be 6.041 into 1000. Now as it is a decimal number. I remove the zero, so it will become 6041 grams. Okay, continue with the same one. 41.100 kg. So what do I do? 41.100 into 1000. The same method, 3 places I shift, so it will become 41.100. Just my decimal place moves out. Next, 33.005 kg will be 33.005 into 1000. So again my decimal point moves out, 33.005 grams, and now I add it up. Easy. 1 plus 0 plus 5, 6. 4 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. So my answer is 80,146 grams. So my answer is 80,146 grams. Very easy sums. The last sum of the exercise, express as decagrams. The kilograms are given 804.291 kg and 30.041 kg. Kilograms to decagrams, you are going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, so you have to multiply. So let's continue. 1 kg is equal to 100 decagrams. Okay, so 804.291 kg will be 804.291 multiplied by 100. Now when I multiply by 100, what do? I shift the decimal point, so it will become 80429.1 decagrams. Easy. Similarly, this one also the same method. 1 kg is equal to 100 decagrams. So 30.041 kg will be equal 30.041 into 100. Now what do? I shift 2 places, so it will become 30.04.1 decagrams. Okay, so very simple sums. And I finished this exercise. I hope you all have understood.